For the IXL today, you are going to be asked to rewrite equations in slope-intercept form. So I wanted to do a video just to remind you of how to do this, looking at the work that was getting turned in the last couple of days. I think some of you are struggling, so I thought that this might be helpful for some of you. Remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So we have to rearrange this equation so that it looks like that. So what we're going to start with is distributing this 1/3. So I have to do 1/3 times x, which would be 1/3 x. And then I have to do 1/3 times 3. And remember, 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. So if I multiplied that, I would have 3 over 3, which is the same thing as 1. So then this would be plus 1. And we didn't touch this y minus 9 over there, so I'm going to bring that down. Then we have to, in order to solve for y, we have to get rid of that minus 9. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. So we have y equals 1/3 x, and then 1 plus 9 would be a positive 10. So then that is in mx plus b form, and that would be your final answer for that question. The next one, something could possibly look along these lines. And again, we have to solve for y because we want slope-intercept form. So we have to y equals. So I'm going to do upside down t. I'm going to get rid of this 7x all at one time because none of that needs to stay. So I have 11y equals 4 minus 7x on that side because they're not like terms. And then I have to divide everything by 11. So y equals, this is where you have to divide everything by 11. So I'm going to start off by doing 4 divided by 11. So that's going to be 4/11ths. And then I'm going to have to do -7 divided by 11, which is going to be -7/11ths with an x behind it. And then I would have to just flip that around. So it's an mx plus b form, which would be -7/11ths x because that minus sign is in front of the 7/11ths. And 4/11ths is positive, so it would be plus 4/11ths. And then it's in true mx plus b form.